Hey everyone, we're back with another video. My name is Randy and of course I'm with Ken, Dexter, and there are new faces together with us. We have Lian and Kat. Invite nila kayo mamaya representing our merchandise department. What's up with this video, Ken? Ano ba yung pag-uusapan natin? Ito na ba? O hindi pa? O yung puti, o yung green, o yung blue? Dami!
Actually, ito yung second build natin na Bronco. Una yung green, which is
Same project. Yankee.
So, yes, ito yung second build natin na malinis lang, pero there's something na kakaiba dito sa build na to, which is the Bronco Raptor R.
We upgraded the regular outer bank, diba?
Yes.
Outer bank to Bronco Raptor kit, which is, meron pa tayong available. Meron pa. Actually, may nakaschedule sa ating isang blue, no? Blue. And then, we still have mga dalawa pang kit available.
Marami nagtatanong about this kit kasi not the usual nila nakikita dito dahil hindi ni-release dito. Pero nung nagpunta tayo ng SEMA, ang dami natin nakita dito. Marami nagtatanong, ano ba to? Stock ba tong kit na to? Which is, nung ginawa natin kasi, not the usual na black lang and body color. Talagang kinostomize natin na yung looks niya talaga is maging kakaiba at parang hindi nagbago yung
dami pa natin pinalit-palitan dito, di ba? May color match, kung ano yung gloss, kung
yung
ano
grill,
yung satin, ano yung matte lang.
Yes,
so, overall, masaya naman tayo. Masaya naman. Yeah. Anyway, besides the kit, ano-ano pa yung ginawa natin dito?
We did a suspension upgrade, Fox 2.5 Performance Series. So, ito na yung top of the line ni Fox Suspension. We have available different brand, pero we choose the Fox Suspension with 4 inches.
4 inches lip. Other choices that we have Oldman, Icon, no? Meron din tayo. Yes. Tapos King, special order na lang.
Kings meron din tayo.
Purely American brands. Kasi Bronco naman talaga is yung kalat din sa US like the regular Jeeps. Ito yung mga gustong-gusto nila kasi natatanggal yung bubong, natatanggal yung pinto. So, yun. Nagpalit tayo ng suspension, which is the Fox. Siyempre kasama niyan, partner yan lagi. Pag pinalitan mo yung suspension, palit din yung wheelset. Anong kinabit natin yung wheelset dyan, Dex?
Black Mamba na polish, 17 inches na Buildlux. Then, yung limited edition din natin na actually wala, ubos na rin tong tires na to eh. Yung BF Goodrich na crawler. 37 inches. Tollen thin lang siya para mag-match lang dun sa body kits natin yan.
Ano offset ng mags natin dito? And ano specific model ni Black Mamba?
Hiroshima. Buildlux.
So, naglagay din tayo ng konting spacer dito.
Para because of the Raptor kit.
Sobra kasi yung hirap habulin. Pero yun, with the spacer, di naman natin sinobrahan. Yung tamang spacer lang nilagay natin, mga 30 or 25 mm lang. Para hindi naman yung forsado yung pinaka-hub nung
tall and thin lang to, maangas lang. Even the wheels, malinis lang din. We didn't go with black. Kasi usually, itin mo na yan para safe. Macho, matapang. Bumabalik din kasi yung uso na to. Although before, early 2000s, uso yung chrome. Chrome is still out, but almost the same finish. Ano dun tayo sa polish. Kasi chrome kasi yun yung after a while, lalo na kung maihian ng aso, sa parking, hindi mo maiwasan yan eh. Yes. Kahit sa bahay nyo or what, nag-ano siya, tutuklap yung chrome finish. So this is a set of 5 wheels. Nilagyan natin konting attitude yung Ford na grill, R lang yung binungay natin. And then, ano pa yung nilagay natin? Nasa
DV8
na tire carrier. Since 37 inches, so sobrang bigat niya na, above doon sa standard nung stock. Kaya kailangan natin i-upgrade to heavy duty tire carrier.
Yes, and then General Horn, meron to, no? Siyempre, lagi naman tayo naka-General Horn. That's the brand that we trust the most. Especially pagdating sa presyo na hindi ganun kamahal.
Speaking of, sobrang ganda niya na. Parang akala mo kompletong-kompleto na at kakaiba na. Pero yun nga, stage 1 pa lang to. Nung tinitingnan ko, ang dami pang mababago dito. Marami pang kulang. Pero alos na-order na lahat yun. Pero marami pang mababago dito. Well, sa Randy din makakapagsabi kung ano.
Hindi ko na sasabihin lahat, but there are bumpers that it's coming. Exhaust, the bumpers is the first of its kind dito sa Pilipinas. Siyempre, commonly nakikita nyo na si ARB which is super pogi pa rin. Actually, yun yung mga unang option natin. But we went with this bumper which is coming very, very soon.
Hammer ba yan? Hammer ba yan?
Ah?
Meron na tayo ng Hammer.
Torio.
Meron na tayo available ng Hammer for the Bronco. Meron na rin tayong ARB. Pero by this time, yung ikakabit natin, yung isang brand natin na kakaiba.
3 letters lang to.
Yes, 3 letters lang.
3 letters lang.
Hulaan nyo.
RRL. Bumpers, front and rear.
Intake.
Headlights.
Headlights. Taillight. Automatic side step.
Interior.
Interior. Gagawin na namin pink.
Yes.
Natuwa. Ay, dito pala yung mga merchandise natin. And yeah, yung iba siguro will showcase it to you on another video or baka makita nyo to sa Manila Auto Salon. Alam ko, it's too early. It's only June right now. Manila Auto Salon is on November. But guys, believe me, as early as March, we have already started yung mga main contender for the Best of Show Award. We have already begun with this Bronco, but until now, we don't have a name for this one. The project name nito.
Nakita nila na yung build, nakita nila na yung setup, and yung mga future upgrades. Sinabi natin na rin, hingi tayo ng recommendation or suggestion nila kung ano yung magandang project name.
Since ikaw na rin nag-suggest yan, maganda siguro pag ikaw na rin magbigay ng premyo para sa
Yes.
Kung sino yung magandang masuggest about the project name at mapili natin.
Sa kanya na yan.
Hindi. May ibibigay yung merch team natin sa kanila.
Sagot na ni Kat, sa kanilian yun.
Promote merch yun.
Yes, maka-approve naman yan ni Kat.
So, sa lahat mga nakapanood, i-like and share nyo to. Then, comment kayo about the project name. Para mamimili tayo siguro by next week for end of the month.
And we believe our demo right here, this Bronco, is parang magiging how popular project Phoenix is.
Yes.
Yung Raptor natin. It's same color, the red ng Ford. But yun, it is very memorable kasi pinuntahan yun dito ng client. We have no plans on selling it, but dinalang kami ng pera. Binigyan kami ng presyo na... binigyan kami ng presyo that we cannot refuse. Yes!
Wala na. Ang sinabi nga ni boss, yung mga papel, saka na pag-usapan yan. Basta importante, mauwi ko na yung sasakyan.
We had that experience with Project Phoenix, which is we are very, very much
Very similar.
overwhelmed. And nagkaroon pa yun ng ang dami niyang kamukha. Sabay-sabay si Project Flame. Yung kay
Tatlo
Brother
sila.
John. Oo. So yun, tatlo sila.
Sa YouTube channel din natin.
Nasa YouTube lang. Pero ito, kung gusto nyo, sige. Binibili na ito ng Ancom eh. Pero hindi pa kasi tapos yung build eh.
Gcash nga daw eh.
Pag-usapan ko lang ng konti, there's this decal in the door. It is still part of Autobot, pero an exclusive group siya sa mga Brother Masons ko. The Rough and Rugged Masonic Legion of Roaders Group. So, yun. Anyway, shout out also to all my brothers under the Grand Lodge of the Philippines who loves the outdoors, who loves camping, who loves trail, overlanding. Please, PM mo ko, add ko kayo dun sa group natin and be updated sa mga plans ng trail natin.
Mga boss, dun sa mga interested, lalo na sa mga naging client namin na, yung mga client namin at yung mga future na client namin na gusto nyo sumama sa trail, exclusive trail lang to, hindi sobrang dami, gusto namin ma-maximize and
Maximum 15 lang tayo
maximum
siguro.
15 lang, ma-enjoy natin yung trail at yung camping, yung overland. Pero usually gagawin namin to every other week or once or twice a month. So marami pa rin naman sa mga hindi makakasama. Next target date on June 21 and 22.
Medyo ano to eh, medyo last 2 weeks ago, nagsabay nag-trail. May group ako nag-trail ako, si Ken and the Auto Boys nag-trail din sila. And that's where, before this trail of ours, the camping, medyo matagal kami hindi na trail. So this is where medyo lumabas yung pagkamis namin and where our hearts truly belong dito sa overlanding and camping. So, ngayon, medyo since na-miss namin, we will be doing this with more schedules regularly. So I hope you guys join us. Sa mga clients namin who is part of our Viber group, the Autobot Off-Road community, please be active doon kasi we'll be posting some of it invites and then we will just cut it off 15 to 20 lagi para hindi siya masyadong puno and gusto lang namin mag-relax din and enjoy the company without so much, alam mo yun, entertaining every client para at least lahat din mabigyan namin ng attention. And also, our Drive and Dine.
Drive and Dine.
Cap is organizing it. Kailan ba tayo? This month. Date na lang. So one of the weekends, one of the Sundays this June, it will definitely happen. Baka Tagaytay area tayo. Anything that you would like to invite our viewers?
Yun. So I'm inviting everyone. So finally, open na si Autobot merchandise natin sa Lazmall, TikTok, and Shopee. So pwede na yan siya mabili online worldwide. Nag-ship na kami worldwide.
Worldwide?
Yes! Worldwide! And worldwide. So ngayon pa lang tapos na yung mga planning
Since
for
you are catering internationally, please invite everyone in English so, para maintindihan nila. In all seriousness, internationally available.
Yes.
Our merch goods products is available for international shipping. So you can just send us a PM or
They can
pages.
they can purchase directly sa sa Lazada kasi
English.
Sir, Ken is currently diba your section contain for the
nag-ship
car
yung
seats.
international automatic pagka
Yes.
pinurchase mo doon. So mas easy, mas madali siyang bilhin, mas madali siyang ipaship. Sa merch natin, available na rin sa Lazada yung mga sa mga accessories at mga car care na pwede nilang i-check out doon.
Hindi ko Kat, tuwing kailan yung TikTok live natin?
Tomorrow po, we're going to have a live 6/6 sale, payday sale din sila.
Right.
6/6 wala. Promo sale tayo,
Next side,
promo
next
sale.
side.
Next side lang.
Kasi kasama na.
Yung benta kasi nila parang laging payday.
Yes.
Lagi na meron tayong 66, 77 payday sale. Every 15 and 30 yun. So nag-live tayo sa TikTok.
So there you have it, guys. Please enjoy project. We don't know yet, and hope to see you on our next one. Again and again, we would like to thank everyone for your continued support with our company, the Autobot Off-Road PH. So lahat po ng inquiries, please just direct message us or send us a message or call us at 0917-319-8840. And Dex, anong number mo?
0997-572.
Ang dami kasi telepono nito.
0997-572-8268.
And our merchandise is
0915-475-4500.
Chicken.
And my number is here.
there you have it, guys. Please like our pages. Dito po. Saka dito po. There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos. See you on our next one. God bless you.